Filler words you have to learn in Spanish.
A ver, ¿quieres que te ayude con eso?
Let's see, do you want me to help you with that?
Es que no me di cuenta de la hora
I just didn't notice the time,
y por eso llegué tarde.
and that's why I was late. We've created real-life examples using these words. You can learn them in our Telegram app. In just a couple of weeks, you'll remember them and start speaking. Guaranteed.
Cuenta de la hora y por eso llegué tarde.
Just find our app on Telegram. It's called UpTalk. Start it, and then you can share this video to the app to access real-life phrases that contain filler words. Much more content is coming. Subscribe to become fluent in Spanish.